How to uninstall Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can remove the app. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now we're in the settings interface. Here, you can make different customization to the app. Here on the bottom, there's an option called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before doing this, make sure you have your ID and password saved for later because you might need it. So at last, simply tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely removed from my device. So there's no such problem. You can reinstall it later if you want and sign in with your old account too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.